I'm Brittany with WTI, and we all put our pants on one leg at a time. But it's important to make sure you find the right kind of pants. And these Toomett convertible hiking pants are my go-to pants for the outdoors. They are so versatile. You can easily go from pants to capris and then even to shorts. The pant legs unzip with ease and reattach with no problems. Its spandex and nylon material make it easy to move around and to stay dry during the many challenges that can come when you're on the trail. With women's pants, I often struggle with finding ones that have useful pockets, and these ones are full of great pockets. The front one can easily fit my cell phone, the side pouch is perfect for my chapstick, and the one in the back is great for my hiking wallet. These are my favorite hiking pants. They're sturdy, they're stretchy, they're so versatile. I think this could fit any of your hiking needs. And that's my point of view.